Looking at the carb, I wonder if I could refurbish it. I'm gonna take it apart and clean it up. Try to get all that rust off. But I'm about to compare it to the other carburetor. The other one feels like way lighter than this. Let's try to get it off of this throttle. All right, so we got the carburetor off. The throttle cable. I'll make sure we realign this thing correctly when we put it back. Let's try to clean it up though. All right, so here's what we have. We got the old carburetor. See how it looks before the clean. It looks before I clean it. So first, I'm gonna start off by removing the hoses. Remember where these go. Got those removed. I'm gonna start by cleaning the outside first before I start removing any of the screws. Choke works perfect. Okay, so let's start cleaning the outside. And this is what we end up with. Brand new, if not refurbished, carburetor. Fully functional.